scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Negative externalities in production are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at the options and find the right economic relationship together. First, understand that a negative externality means the production process creates a cost for society that the producer does not pay for. This gap represents a hidden external cost for everyone. Next, we calculate the marginal social cost by adding that external cost to the marginal private cost. Since the external cost is positive, the social cost must be the higher value. Finally, marginal social cost exceeds marginal private cost. This matches option D perfectly. You mastered a core concept of market failure. Great job! Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the definitions, and check your steps.